Hey, what's up, YouTube? It's been a long time since I've made a recording. Even address some of the topics that are currently happening in dancehall. It's been a long time, to be honest with you, because at one point in time I just decided say I'm gonna stop with the channel and just couldn't bother man. And it's been a while, and I just decided say, alright, cool, make we just do it back, because I noticed that there's 294 loyal subscribers that are still subscribed to the channel. And I say, yo, uno take time out and uno time. Yeah, uno take time out and time and subscribe. So at the end of the day, I believe my own content, so I'm going to deal with it. So just consider this a new beginning for the Jamaican Connect channel, where we're going to be discussing issues that are out in the public domain, and you want to get a little non-biased opinion on it. So this is what me promise I'm going to get a non-biased opinion. I'm going to tell you like it is. Someone are going to hate me, and then I'm going to want to subscribe, and I'm going to say, why me watch this? Why YouTube recommend this to me? Someone are going to say, I true the youth attack, And someone are going to go, as likewise, want to come kill me, beat me up, find me yard, try to cut off my head. The usual Jamaican thing, if you're Jamaican. But I'm not really business still, straight up. So let's get into it. First topic, Majah hype. Yes, and Kirby. I have to deal with them. Alright, cool. So, yeah, if you don't know about Majah hype, just do a Google search. Because I don't know about him. But he says a popular comedian, but obviously never popular enough because me never know about him. Or maybe me just didn't have something else to do. So anyways, me say him popular. But if him did popular, trust me, I know him popular. Because them say him are the girl clone representative. But me not gonna look upon it and say the man are no girl clone and all them something there and all these things. Because as far as I am concerned, in my humble opinion, this is a man who is in love. But let us talk about what we know for facts, based on what was presented. The brother here beat the woman. Straight up him beat the woman. How bad him beat the woman, me no know. But him beat the woman. Me hear some of you use alleged. So, him allegedly beat the woman, but him beat the woman. Me no know. You figure that out. So anyway, him allegedly beat the woman because he beat the woman. So that happened. But the woman come out, which is Kirby, and say, she never cheat on the man. Real levels? Alright, cool. When she come out and she start bawl and say, oh, I never cheated on him. I never cheated on him. Man not tell her lie, me the believe her. Me the believe her. Me say, yo, maybe my girl never cheat, She said, not even once did I ever cheat on him. I'm a believer. Yeah, maybe me one of them idiot. But me the believer. Me did say, yeah, man, that girl and I give the man about it. I don't know what that brother you look. Because him look like him big, big body. So I say, yeah, man, you don't know them little psychopathic star that them get little money and say little pretty girl, and every time them sit down and say, yo, so that girl I give me bone and just start get some lick. Maybe I saw him see the thing still. So yeah, I saw me the thing. It's alleged. Yeah, me hear some of it do that. Cause I can't take Sue. But just I start by the channel. I can't afford to get Sue. So I have to say true allegedly. Yeah. So, anyway, moving right along. Bridging man decides, say, yo, I'm going to show up the evidence and start to show her thing like him catch her phone. Bridging say in my life, say, yo, she give him the phone, and when him take the phone, she give him the phone. Seriously, big man thing. No woman have them level of dirt there. Pan for them phone and give you the phone. May I tell her that? Is it that you have bend back her finger? Is it that you have her in a sleeper hole? Is it that you did take a man a lick after her? Yeah, you get the my reference. Anyway, moving right along. Maybe that you did do. But one thing for sure, no woman now go give her phone with so much dirt on it. Anyways, let's get to said dirt. How be your dirt, virgin? Dirt like dirt. Yeah, dirt like graveyard. Dirt like Alcan. Dirt like football field when I water. Anyway, my girl have dirt. Yo, it's like that girl have some collection. Like she have the dick pic collection. Me I say, yo, me a man you know, so me no know about the different shapes and all them something. Me just know about what me carry. Me never know when my youth a go through him life. Me I say, Bomba, me never know say things can curve like banana. Me never know say something can look like aki picker. Me never know them something there. Cause me no look on man me things. Me just not do it. So me never know them something. So me I realize that my girl have a collection of the things them. Like she say, oh, I took this one and I took this one and I took this one. But bear in mind, she can take whatever she want. But the problem is she is a married woman. And if you're a married woman, you're not supposed to have no collection of dicks in your phone. You're supposed to, if you have a collection of dick, you have a collection of your husband dick them from different sizes and different angles. You take pictures since you like to take picture. You're not supposed to have a random collection of dick. That look very suspicious. Anyways, I know my business that. Get into the part. So that good. So my boy start short and say, yo, video did I go on and hear Bridging say, next line. Him say, is the boner man show out the video. But if me or the boner man or the ex-boyfriend, when me I take fair picture and I put out this so when she and her boyfriend or husband have a war. It's like a me vex so she and her man a war, so me I go put out her picture. That don't make no sense. Lie, Majah life. Lie, it's alleged. Lie. I have to say alleged. Alleged again. Lie. Anyway, moving right along. Since he allegedly lie about that part then now. Moving to the point now where him back again him say him a get the beating. Him a say yo shit, so lick him in the face and rate boom boom boom. So alright, yeah, me know say yo the woman might have finger lick. Obviously overseas and them can beat you. So the last so you can them can lick you. So yeah, him get some lick up. So but you gotta tell me say all this time him a get licking on him face, thump and spit pan and him not do nothing. So when name Majah hype the Christ? Anyways, I digress. I know my business that is alleged again. So anyways, so yo, me not tell you like when me see the brother show out them video there and them picture there and thing, me I say yo. She says him lick her, me I say yo. Me nah condone that, you know. No YouTube no listen. Me say me nah condone the licking of the woman. Just walk away, folks. Young guys listening, walk away. Walk away. You can do it. Walk away. So just walk away. But I not just walk away. Me no know, but you know, hey, him couldn't kill her still, you know, cause no for them think the man kill for less, you know. Yeah, man drink Gamma and jump off a tall building, kill everybody. Don't condemn it. I don't condemn it. Condone it. I don't condone it. I don't condone it. I condemn it. Yes. So, yeah, man. So, but the brother say, yeah, him just take it and just walk away. Lie. It's alleged. It's a lie again. Yeah. So, when we look at the verdict of this story is the two of them lie. It's two hurt people, them very hurt. Them are hurt each other and them are tell lie. You understand? So what are the facts that are true from this case? Because I am an investigator. Yes, I'm Mr. Investigator Connect. Right now, what are the things that were true? True, A, he might get enough bun. That are true. B, some licking go on. She lick him and him look like him. Obviously give it to her. Yeah, it's alleged. So that did go on. And then, was she a gold digger? Alright, let's go deal with the gold digger part. Was she a gold digger? Kinda, yeah. Most women are gold digger, certain way. Alright, here they are now. Here the 8 mil are coming right so Lord God. Alright, hold on for the 8 mil. Most women are gold digger because every woman gets in. Most women get to relationships for benefit, whether it's financial, or it's for a status or something. Them grow up to believe say when I'm getting with you it must put me in a better state than I was previously. So if you call that digging, most women do it. She obviously never got there with no entertainer where I beg her money for just the fun. She never there with me cause I'm him look. Obviously. It's alleged. You understand? So obviously she there with him for a reason. But the problem with me falter with why they with a man, I take him money, have a bag of man on the side, and I take the man for clown. Them think they're dangerous, my girl. Them think they're dangerous. So who do I side with? Me not side with none of them because you see, my girl, we couldn't side with you fully if you did tell the truth from the day one. But you did not tell the truth from day one. What you did was you say you never give the man bun. Just say, yeah, him get bun. Yeah, long time I give him bun. Me don't like it. Me don't want to have a collection of stick. Me don't want a stick collection. And yeah, me do my thing. You understand? But when you say you never give him bun and then the man uncover the thing, you look bad. You look well bad too. Then this brother now, hear what him go wrong. Him say him never lick the girl. And the information when present, you can see say, if you as a man get them information there, there's no way you can take your Bible and start reading and say, let her go, I'll turn the other cheek. No man, me not say you feel lick her, you know. Me not say you feel lick her, but me just say, don't tell lie, say you were anti everything bad and you ain't do nothing. You do something up general, you do something. So in this case, everybody wrong. X everywhere. X. And one more X, because when on YouTube got things say nothing else. You see me? I don't think I don't. Yeah. So anyways, that is my take on what is going on with Majah Hype and Kirby and them relationship. So guess what, people? We back. So if you like it, subscribe, give me some, yo, it rough to do them video, you know. Trust me, rough. That's why I did stop, because it did taxing, man. It did taxing bad. So I decided to say, yeah, my mom just low it out and focus on other channel. Believe it or not, I have other channel. I don't tell you, because some of them yet. I don't tell them. Anyway, I'm going to watch some of them and do even more. Don't follow the voice, because I change the voice sometimes, you see. Anyways, yeah, man. So subscribe if you like it. Recommend it to a friend. Non-biased truth. Coming up next, chuck your shit. Yeah. I'm out.